Hey guys, have you ever been told that you can't grow your hair long or your relaxed hair just can't grow, and you start believing friends and family when they tell you that you can't grow your hair long? Well, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you one simple trick that I've been doing for the last year in order to help retain more length. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about protecting your hair for longer than a few days. So because this is a protective styling, I'm going to be prepping my hair for that hairstyle. So the first thing that I'm going to do is moisturize and seal my hair. So I don't have my S-curl in order to do this moisturizing. So I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to be sealing in all that moisture with a hair serum. All the products that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be listing them for you in the description box. So now that I've separated my hair into these 4 sections, I'm going to make sure that I hydrate my scalp as well. I'm going to be using my hair oil in order to hydrate my scalp, and I'm going to make sure that I massage the oil on my scalp. This is something that I've been doing over 1 year, making sure that I take the time out to massage my scalp and making sure that I do so every time that I oil my scalp during the week. So because this is a protective style, I have to make sure that the scalp is well hydrated, since I won't be able to touch my hair in the next 2 weeks. Now this is not a tutorial, but I just wanted to show you one hairstyle that I do pretty often in order to protect my hair, in order to retain more length. During the video, you're going to see that I made a few mistakes, but that's okay. The end result is going to be amazing. You're going to see how well this protective style turned out and how you can probably incorporate some sort of protective style simple like this one in order to retain more length. So guys, make sure to watch to the end, because I'm going to be giving away a free checklist of some of the things that I have been doing over 1 year to grow my hair long. If you're this far in the video, I would love for you guys to comment down below. Let me know what type of protective styles that you're accustomed of doing in order to keep your hands out of your hair for at least a week. This style that I'm about to show you is only going to last for 2 weeks. I am trying to find better styles that I can do myself at home in order to protect my hair and retain more length as I go along. If you're like me and you have friends and family telling you to give up on your hair care journey, don't. Because as you have seen, if you have been following me up to this point on the inside of the club, you will know the struggles I have had myself. Now, doing this one thing every 2 weeks has really helped me to retain more length. I'm searching for better hairstyles that I can do myself at home to avoid going to a hairstylist to have my hair done. Since the pandemic, I've been doing my hair myself, and this is a pretty simple style that you can do too. So I'm going to be preparing the next section, and I'm going to be using these extensions, and I already prepped the hair, and I use this in order to get my sections so that I can have an easy flow of getting the hair extensions. So what I did was to braid my hair first, then I'm going to take a section and add it to my natural hair just like so, and then start to braid and then bring the other section around. Pretty simple, and I'm going to be doing that for the next few minutes, making sure to grab my hair and take my time in order not to rip my hair at the same time. So I braid my hair, grab the other section, pull it through, and start braiding again. Now, if you're not familiar with the feed-in braid, what you can do is research it on YouTube, and you will find step-by-step videos that can help you to do what I'm doing here. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and this is something that I've been doing in order to retain length. Now, one thing that I've been thinking on doing is making sure that I'm using this type of styling in order to protect my hair. Doing it myself, I know how much tension I'm putting on my scalp is very loose. Because I'm not a professional, the braids that I'm applying right now is super loose, and it doesn't have any tension on my scalp. If you get a professional to do this, you might not be able to withstand the tension on your scalp, and that is not a good thing when you're doing any protective style. Comment down below, let me know any other styles that I can use in order to incorporate into my hair care regimen. If you guys have noticed, I have been able to retain so much length from last year to date, and what I did was create a checklist, making sure that I follow the things on the checklist to make sure that I am incorporating good things into my hair care regimen. So if you are not following some sort of regimen, something to help you to grow your hair, I've created a checklist for you. You guys can click the link below to download it. It doesn't cost anything, and these are some of the things that you should incorporate into your hair care regimen. I would love for you guys to comment down below. Let me know what you think so far of this protective hairstyle. It's pretty loose on my scalp, so I know that there's no tension. And if I can do it, you can do it too. This is just one simple thing that I've been doing recently, and it has been working. If you haven't incorporated protective hairstyles that last more than a few days, this is something that you can try at home yourself, especially during the pandemic. Everyone should be trying to do their own hair at home, and I'm guaranteeing you something like this can help. I'm going to be checking back with you guys in the next week or 2 weeks to let you see how my hair looks and what I've been doing in order to keep my hair looking good. Remember, you guys, I've been incorporating so many things in my hair care regimen that has helped me to retain the length that you see that I've been having. If you guys are interested in my checklist, please click the link below to download it free. There's no cost attached to this checklist. So just let's check to see how my hair turned out, and this is how my hair looks. I love it. It's simple, it's not too fancy, it looks doable, and it's super nice. I love it. I really do. Do you guys see how I was super happy? So you can do this for yourself at home. Please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the club if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. You guys can just entertain yourself if you love hair and beauty videos with these 2 videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.